Hi, this is going to be video number 6, and it's going to be about putting the hair on the Raggedy Ann. I've got a start on it. It's been put on for several rows around the face, and the lines are drawn on the back of the head as well. So this is the yarn and the yarn needle, and I put this into the fabric on the back of the head and push that through. Okay, and so I'm holding on to the end of this, and I'm going to make 2 tighter places, and that's going to hold the yarn in place. Now I'm going to make a loop, and I will continue to go down the row like that. I hold the loop out about this far with my thumb, and then I make 2 more tight stitches, and I continue to do that until I'm out of this piece of yarn, and then I'll get another piece and start over. And so that's how you put the yarn on to the head to make the doll's hair. Thanks for watching.